We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
It is not natively possible to run Android application under iOS, which powers iPhone, iPad, iPod, etc. This is because both runtime stacks use entirely different approaches. Android runs Dalvik, a variant of Java, bytecode packaged in APK files, while iOS runs compiled, from OBJC, code from IPA files.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.